Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick, easy way to black out the front grille on your 5th generation CR-V. So starting in 2020 from the factory, this chrome piece right here was black, and I think it made a big improvement to the front end. I'm going to show you, you can actually buy a little setup. I got it on eBay, of plastic that trim that completely covers the chrome using double-sided tape. So this is easier than replacing the grille, which requires removing the whole bumper, or painting it, which would require sanding and masking it and primer, and again that would take a lot of masking and clear coat and a lot of expensive materials. This is by far the easiest way I've seen. So here's what you get in the package. They include the plastic pieces to cover the headlight chrome if you want, and then the centerpiece here. And the finish is a little strange. It's kind of hard to see, and there's almost like a metallic flake to the black. It doesn't necessarily match the black paint on my car. I suppose if you were doing any other color, this would look appropriate though. But it actually doesn't look bad even with the black. So I'm going to just be covering the centerpiece here. It fits really good right over it. I'm not going to be blacking out the other chrome pieces, but I will show you kind of how they look on there. Alright, so I just kind of set the blackout trim pieces in. They do fit really good over the chrome. Like I said, they are not installed completely because I'm not going to be using them. So then if I set the centerpiece in, you kind of see it does black out all the chrome except the Honda emblem on the front. Alright, so the first step is going to be to clean it really well, preferably with alcohol. Get all the dirt, all the grime off. That way the double-sided tape has something good to stick to. Otherwise, it'll just blow off. Alright, so once it's nice and clean, just go ahead and peel all the tape off, and then it'll be ready to stick on. Alright, so we got all the backing pulled off, the double-sided 3M tape. Now we're ready to stick it to the front of the car. If you were using these other pieces, you would want to install them first because they kind of go behind the center section. Alright, so you really got one shot at this, so start in the middle, pushed all the way in. Make sure it's all the way in, and push down on the top. Make sure the bottom's all the way in. Alright, so there is the finished product for me. It looks pretty good. Just a quick, easy way to kind of change the look, the front end of your 5th generation CR-V from 2017 to 2019. There'll be a link in the description below where I brought the product if you want to get it. Be sure to like the video, leave any comments, questions below, and until next time, we'll see you later.